Hi, welcome. So today I will be unboxing the air fryer or the healthy fryer, the Emerald Air Cook, and I purchased this at Best Buy. So some of the features that come, and I'm right now just unboxing it, but it's a 4 liter, and so the brand is Emerald. It comes with a recipe booklet. A color, of course, is black. Doesn't have a digital display, but it's very simple because it has two kind of like turners or two, I don't know, buttons. The wattage is 1400 watts. The maximum temperature is 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the minimum is 180. It does come with a manufacturer warranty, parts and labor for 1 year. So what made me purchase this was a lot of the reviews. I was able to notice that, out of the 5 stars, it was 4.6. Most at 95% would recommend this. So some of the reviews was like, it's it's good on size, and I did purchase this size due to like having a larger family. So I wanted something that I'm able to kind of maybe do 1 or 2 goes and not any more than that. So other reviews, it's having 2 is better than 1. I guess for the price point, you can buy 2. Again, I purchased it at Best Buy. This has a built-in 30-minute timer, which is that, knob right there. It comes with the little removable basket and pan. So right here, just the size, it's almost like you can see my hand can kind of fit in there. So I would say maybe on like chicken breast, maybe like 2 good sizes with like space. So like for me, I'm cooking for a family of 5. I might be able to fit 2 pieces, maybe 3, depending on the size. And so it seemed that I might need to go twice with it to complete the meal. That is the little brochure or the recipe booklet on how to use it and what items they have on the menu. So looking at it, it's almost kind of like egg shape. I definitely had picked it up and it is very light. I was expecting maybe being a little bit more heavy, but definitely it's something that could be moved around. It doesn't seem like you need a lot of help with that, so I definitely like that. It's all black. And overall, it was just a good price point, but right now on the website, it's for $59.99.